Check this out.
A lot of great songs, but I don't think I've just had that like hit yet.
How can they do all this stuff? If you're somebody that was born in...
I go to sleep every night, every morning. I wake up instinctually at 5 a.m.
20 viral clips in just 5 minutes. This AI creates high-quality short in a minute without spending countless hours editing. You can create viral clips from just a YouTube link or video file with this powerful AI in just a single click that you can post on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook page. In this video, I will show you a simple AI that helps you create short quickly and look very professional. This tool handles everything for you. The best part, it generates subtitles, engaging captions, and edit everything without you doing anything. The tool I am talking about is Tezza AI. Tezza AI uses high-quality model to transform a long video into engaging clips using Smart Cut clips. You can also create streamer clipper video, Reddit story, text story, and don't say the same thing as me video. To start, I have provided the link for you in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will land on the home page. Click on the Smart Cut Clips feature. It is a newly released feature to create viral clips within a few minutes. Click on Smart Cut Clips. We have two options we can use to generate clips. We can paste a YouTube link and work directly from a finished YouTube video, or you want to upload or drag and drop the video to the website. I am going to show you how to paste the video from YouTube. I go to YouTube and search for a video I want to use. This is a video I will be using from a popular broadcast channel. Copy the link right here and paste it directly into a smart clip project for some magic. Once you paste the link, the video will appear in the preview section like this. Click on Move Forward button above. This is where we are going to configure our clip. Like, how many number of clips do you want for the video? You can generate between 1 to 10 clips from your video. I will like the clip to be between 5 to 10 clips based on how you want it. You can also select the length of each clip. Each clip can be between 10 to 120 seconds long depending on how you want it. Since we are creating short clips, I am going to reduce the length of each clip to 10 seconds and also reduce the number of clips to 8. I don't want it to be too long. After you are done with the settings, click on the next button to move forward. If you want subtitles for your clip, make sure you enable auto-generated subtitles. That is, the AI tool will automatically generate subtitles for your clip. Select subtitle style. Click on the front section to select the font you like. I like bold fonts, so I will be selecting Kids Magazine Front Style. You can choose any font of your choice. Click on the color section to select the color of the caption. You need an attractive color that your audience will find very attractive. I select yellow. Adjust the font size to your taste. Keep it very minimal, not too big, not too small. Medium size is okay. Select drop shadow if you want. You can also make your font very bold by clicking on bold. Make sure you customize the settings according to your taste. After you are done, click on the next button. Click on the export button. The tool will begin the video processing immediately. It only takes a few minutes. Wait for Tezza AI to do its magic. The tool has generated 4 clips for us. Smart Cut clips generate different shots out of the broadcast episode. It also gives insight on each clip. This helps you to know what the clip is all about. Let's check them one by one.
How can they get you to go to the dungeon for 92 days? How can they put you on house arrest? How can they do all this stuff? If you're somebody that was born in US,
And when they find out it's a fucking movie, they hate me. It's personal.
Andrew, if that's
they
true,
hate me.
That's the funniest thing
Thank
ever.
you, thank you.
How confident are you that things are...
I go to sleep every night, every morning. I wake up instinctually at 5 a.m. because that's when they raid your house. I wake up at like 4:59. I just fucking shoot up because they busted my house 3 times now.
Then you can decide on which clip you want to download. You can also edit each clip by clicking on the edit button below. This feature is coming soon. Just click on the one you like and download. You can download all the clips and post them one by one on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok page. This is how you can use Tezza AI Smart Cut clips to create engaging viral clips within a few minutes. No editing. Make sure you try this out and see how it reduced the stress of creating your viral clip by yourself. To continue to enjoy this feature, make sure you subscribe to their Pro plan. What you will benefit from the tool is more than the amount you are paying. Make sure you choose the plan that fit your project. Don't forget to share your experience in the comment section below. Kindly give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.